This 12-year-old boy went to bed completely fine and woke up the next morning with uncontrollable tics, behavioral outbursts, and completely stopped talking for 4 months.
Parker, I would liken it mostly to an abduction. Something came in the window and stole our child, but it's not our kid. Our kid is gone. Like, gone.
This is a bizarre but real condition called PANS or PANDAS, and it can cause a child's brain and behavior to completely change overnight. Doctors don't completely understand why this happens, but it's believed to be an autoimmune reaction against your own brain. So after a bacterial infection like strep throat, your body will naturally produce antibodies to fight off the bacteria. But in rare cases, those antibodies can mistakenly attack your own brain, specifically an area called the basal ganglia that controls behavior, movement, and emotion. And this can cause a child who was previously totally fine to suddenly develop severe OCD-like symptoms, anxiety, aggression, mood swings, and vocal and motor tics. And parents will often describe it as their child woke up one day completely a different person. Doctors might suspect a diagnosis of PANDAS based on 3 things: a recent bacterial infection with group A streptococcus like strep throat or scarlet fever, a very sudden onset of personality change like OCD-like symptoms and vocal and motor tics, and by ruling out other neuropsychiatric causes. Because this disease isn't well understood by doctors, the treatment might include things like antibiotics to clear an infection, immunotherapy like IVIG to replace antibiotics and to calm the immune system, and therapy or medications to treat the psychiatric symptoms. This condition is rare, but it's an important reminder that infections can sometimes trigger powerful autoimmune reactions even against our own brains. So if your child suddenly develops behavioral changes or tics after an infection, go see your doctor because it might be PANDAS. I'm Dr. Jeff, a board-certified ER doctor, and I teach about interesting medical topics and conditions. Follow me to learn more.